In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, all thanks and praise due to Allah. Peace and blessings be upon His Messenger. Every year in the month of August, we are charged with the fresh wave of patriotism and devotion to our motherland. The spirit of dedication, sacrifice, harmony and prosperity as a nation lead us to celebrate our beloved motherland's birthday. With immense pride, joy, patriotism and festivities. Today, 14th August, is Independence Day of Pakistan, and we are gathered here to celebrate this important day of our freedom. Honorable audience, one of the objectives together on occasion is to show unity with each other. Besides, it is always important to convey some messages to the audience. Usually these messages are traditional messages in the contrast of current era. In this context, I am given the opportunity to speak unity. We extracted this word from the motto of founder of Pakistan, Mr. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. In the very first place, the important fact I would like to show up here is that Islam is the religion that lays a great emphasis on a unity. It makes it crystal clear that all the human beings, being the children of Father Adam alayhis salam, represents a single brotherhood that places certain rights on each member of the family. Mr. Jinnah borrowed the idea of unity from one God, one prophet and one book. He called upon the people not to forget the motto, unity, faith and discipline, explaining the faith in God, in ourselves and in our destiny, and that addresses the problem of getting united. We can find this motto in many of his speeches before and after the independence of Pakistan. He used to say, we must have faith, unity and discipline. The number of times he repeated these three words and his emphasizes in his statement by the use of word must reflects the importance of this motto. Every Pakistani is familiar with this motto because that is decorated on the Pakistani national logos everywhere. Considering the comparative importance in the context of this gathering and the time limit, I have decided to speak only on the unity. It is important to interpret what Mr. Jinnah meant by unity. Surely meant to unite people of the nation on a common goals. Pakistan in 1947 started its career from scratch. There was no system that it inherited by the rulers of that time. At that time, unity was important in two perspectives. First was to face every single moment of hardship collectively and support each other to get stabilized. Second was to devote your efforts to build up and develop the country as a nation. As we must proud of those people who exhibited, and today we are a renowned nation on the world map. But still a long way to go. The recent enhancement in the technology have changed the map of the world. So it is ongoing process to continue working on things that takes you towards the development. Unity is the one tool in this perspective. This is the time where we have to decide that how can we practice unity and use this tool better. First of all, being a Pakistani, we are representative of our country here. So we should understand and take a responsibility while we are speaking and taking any step. Second, every Pakistani is our brother and has certain rights. He must be regarded and served on priority. Such support will be a big example on contribution to unity, part of the Jinnah's motto. In my view, we should never forget our origin, regardless of where we stay or settle down. We should keep our values alive. Without roots, we have no identity at all. As Allama Muhammad Iqbal said, फर्द कायम रब्ते मिल्लत से है, तन्हा कुछ नहीं. मौज है दरिया में, बैरूने दरिया कुछ नहीं. We being the youth are the future of Pakistan. Pakistan has given us identity and made us like we are today. In return, we have to do and give something to our country. On our own, we should take initiatives and come up with the ideas, not with the ideas, but also plans with the implementations. We have to keep these vehicles on success track and improve it. I would like to end with this verse. शिकवाए जुल्मते शब से तो कहीं बेहतर था. शिकवाए जुल्मते शब से तो कहीं बेहतर था. अपने हिस्से की कोई शम्मा जलाते जाते. Long live Pakistan.
Thank you, Ishrat. Gentlemen, throughout the life history of Pakistan, the country has seen many ups and downs in the day-to-day running of Pakistan. Keeping this in mind, we have decided to show you a song, and the idea behind this is to let the future, that is all we people of Pakistan who are going to take charge of the country in the coming few years, to think and to get ourselves ready in a fair manner to guide the nation in Pakistan towards stability, growth, development, and for gaining a better position, an honorable position in the nations of the world. So ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the song.
मैं जब 10 साल का था तो मैंने 9 o'clock न्यूज़ पर सुना कि पाकिस्तान तारीख के एक नाजुक मोड़ से गुजर रहा है.